Oh, broke through the snap? Oh my. They just sent him to the house.
Yeah, he got it at this point.
Yep.
Call it trick plays. Get some Chip Kelly stuff going on.
Exactly. You know that.
Much better.
Yeah.
Double reverse.
Hey, there you go, Uncle Warren.
I want to.
Who's that? You know the coach?
That's
Yeah.
my uncle.
Are you serious?
Yeah. My uncle.
My dad.
You want to hit you in the back? Hit him. Okay. Okay, Warren.
So this is playoffs, obviously, right?
No, this is not playoffs. This is their last regular season game.
Uh.
I think it's the last championship real quick.
They're bad.
What?
Are they bad?
They've won one game all year.
Jake play basketball?
Yeah, he's playing for his school.
Yeah.
Brad Athletic. It's free there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
My time.
I think we won a